Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Secret Santa gift. Now before we get into the video, I want to say a massive thank you to the Stack Collector. For those of you that are not yet subscribed to the Stack Collector, I will leave a link to his channel in today's video description. But he is the person that has organised the entire Secret Santa event for Stacker Social. So massive thank you to the Stack Collector for putting this together. He's also done the same thing for the last couple of years as well. So really, really cool. A great way to get everyone in the stacking community in the festive spirit. So massive thank you TSC for making this video possible and for, like I said, putting the Secret Santa together. Now you can see that I've got a very Christmassy backdrop today. We've got Santa over there with his teddy. Got the Stacker Social light up sign. Got a Christmas tree there, and we've also got some white chocolate Christmas coins. These are the type of coins that everybody wants. Real silver Britannias. So there we go, we'll pop them back under the tree and let's get this video on the go. Now first of all, I don't really know how I'm going to actually unpackage this because you'll see that the parcel is extremely large. So we're going to try and almost knocked over the Christmas tree already. Right, we're going to start there. I'm going to have to pause the video while I set the camera up a little bit better. Right, here we go. So this is the best angle that I can actually get because I haven't got much space to work with. So we're going to start unboxing this and hopefully the parcels inside get a little bit smaller, because the only rule with this year's Secret Santa was you had to send an ounce of silver. So I don't know what this person has sent, because you could send optional extras as well if you wanted to, but the actual criteria was an ounce of silver. So essentially you're sending an ounce to someone and you get an ounce back. But it looks like whoever has sent me this has not just sent me an ounce of silver, unless they've packaged it extremely well. So let's start by, let me just move the tripod back again. Wow, this, I'm so glad Mrs. 365 is working tonight, because she would not be happy with all of this falling over the floor. Wow, this is so cool. Oh look, something's fallen on my hand. Look, we got some chocolate coins. Look at that. I'll add those underneath the Christmas tree with the other ones. I feel like there's some more. Yeah, there is. God, look at this. I'm going to have a right feast tonight. Is that everything? No. Look, the gift that keeps on giving. Wow, we have got a really nice pile of coins underneath the tree now. Now, I did think that hopefully the box would get a little bit smaller so we can get it on camera, but it's still a fairly reasonable sized box. But I've just noticed there's a few more of these. Wow, there's loads. Look at this. Literally loads and loads of these chocolate coins. So I'm going to chuck them all around the tree. They're still down here. They're still here. Right, okay, so I'm going to have to start pulling all this out because, look, more. This is incredible. This is like a gift in itself. Like a lucky dip. They just keep coming. I'll tell you what, I'm going to be like the Pied Piper tomorrow. When my children see all these, they're going to be following me around the living room. Oh my God, there's so many. There is so many. It just keeps going. This is insane. Right, okay, so, no, still more. Wow, this is crazy, look. Wait till you see in a minute, when I tilt the camera down, how many there are. I really don't want to pull all this out on the floor, because it's going to make such a mess. But I just don't want to miss any of these. Look, they're just still coming. This is so cool. Right. No, I was about to say that's it. Still going. Still coming out. Right. No, more down here. This is insane. The whole video is going to be me just... Did you hear that? That was another one. Right, I'm going to have to start pulling this out. I'm going to have to start making a mess. Because I just don't want to miss any. Look, another one there. Oh, Santa's falling over. Right, I want to say that is it. I will have another little rummage around off camera later because I don't want to miss any. But I think we're safe to say for now we have the majority of them. So let's get that out of the way. Look, told you Santa's fallen over. He's had one too many whiskies. Let's get him back up. Right, okay. Let's restore a little bit of order here. Right, so there we go. We got the present out. Wow, there's so many of these. Look at all this. Let's get all that to one side. Look, I wasn't joking. Look how many there are. I'm going to have to make sure I don't get my silver ones mixed in there when I start giving them out to the children. Because they're going to be absolutely laughing. Right, okay. Look at it. Crazy. Right, okay, I'm going to pause the video again while we readjust the camera. Right, I'm back. So, I still can't get over how many chocolate coins there are here. This is crazy. Right, okay. Let's get into the main box. Now, like I said, this is meant to be an ounce of silver. And we're already not even anywhere near close to the size of an ounce of silver. And that is... What are we now? 4 minutes in? I can't even tell how many minutes are we in because I've had to stop the video twice now to adjust the camera. But here we go. We're on for a pass the parcel style present here. I absolutely love this, by the way. Whoever's done this has put so much effort into it. Really, really appreciate it. There we go. Right. We're in. Oh no. Christmas tree is down. Oh my god, this is carnage. Absolute carnage. Right, so that says wrong way. Oh my god, right, okay, it's taped on the side of the box as well. Right, okay, open this way, right, okay. I don't want to pause the video again because I like the idea of being able to keep track of how long I've been filming for. So we are going to try and keep it rolling. Let's try and get a bit more order back in here. Look, we've got baubles falling off the tree and all sorts going on. Right, okay, so let's adjust again. Let's bring the camera over. Here we go. Right, okay. Let's get into this. This is so cool. This video is going to be like 20 minutes long in the end. Right, okay. Have we got another box inside a box? Look, we've got more packaging in here. Mrs. 365, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, but we are just going to have to start pulling all this out now. I tried my best to keep it all in one piece, but... 2365 grams of chocolate. Weigh it, LOL. Brilliant. So that must be 365 grams of chocolate. So what a nice touch that is. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. I can't wait to eat some of these later. But here we go. So here is the card. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get everything out of the box first. Or, no, let's do the card first. It's rude, isn't it, to start doing presents before cards. So let's do the card first and see what this says. A hairy cow. Love it. Merry Christmas. Wow, look at this. We've got an essay here. So it says, 2365 and family. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From Sound Money Stacking. Adam. Oh, okay. Thanks for sharing your name on there, Adam. I will reach out after this video just to make sure that you're happy for that to stay in. But I'm guessing you are, because you know that I do all of my videos on camera. And the Stackers Social Creators, all the best for 2026. Wow, look at this. 365, we don't know who you are, but we know what you are. You've had a great year. Stackers Social is taking off. You've added amazing pieces to your family stack. You've created superb videos and you published a book that will help thousands of new stackers. I don't know if I mentioned my book. Congratulations and thank you. Wow, what a really, really nice card. And for those of you that haven't heard of Sound Money Stacking, he is fairly new to the community. He is fairly new to Stackers Social, but he is already making some really, really great content over here on YouTube. And I will leave a link to his channel in today's video description. But I believe he's already at around about 1,500 subscribers already. So within a few short months, he's already putting himself on the map in the community, and he's making some really, really good videos. Now, I actually reached out to Sound Money Stacking and I asked him if he'd be up for making a how-to video for those people that don't know how to use Discord, just to give them a little bit of a helping hand to navigate around Stackers Social. And for those of you that haven't seen that, I will also link that in today's video description, but most of you probably have if you're in the community. It's an absolutely incredible video, really, really well put together, really informative. And eventually we're going to put that on Stackers Social so that when new members join, they've got a how-to guide straight away to help them navigate it. So yeah, massive thank you to Sound Money Stacking for doing that video. And already, wow, look at this. There is the 1 ounce piece of silver. It is a colorized, what is it? A colorized American Silver Eagle. We'll take it out of here so you can see it in all its glory. I've got quite a nice Christmas collection on the go now. I've got lots of different pieces that represent Christmas. I'll have to start putting them all in a separate box so that at Christmas time it makes it easy to get them all out in one go, because at the moment they're dotted around in different safes, so it makes it a little bit difficult to get them all out. But that is really cool. I really like that. Got the snowman there. Really, really cool. And if you tilt it to a certain angle, you'll be able to see the outline of the American Silver Eagle in the background. It's quite hard to do on camera. There you go. There, you can kind of see it there. Yeah, really clever, really cool piece. And on this side, you've got the plain silver, so you can clearly see that it's an American Silver Eagle. What a cool piece. So thank you very much, my friend. Really, really appreciate that. Sound Money Stacking. Got another channel sticker there as well. And I'm just going to have a rummage around. Yeah, I was going to say, I'm just going to have a rummage around first to make sure there's nothing else in here. And I can straight away already feel that there is. So really, really generous. Like I said, the criteria was a 1 ounce piece of silver. And already, just with the chocolate coins and the packaging and everything like that, he's gone above and beyond. Look, we've got more chocolate in here. I think Sound Money Stacking is trying to make me fat. I'm actually trying to be careful. I'm actually trying to have a little bit of a detox. I'm not drinking at the moment. I'm also cutting back on snacks. Started picking up a few weights again, which I neglected for a while. So yeah, I'm trying to be healthy, but Sound Money Stacking is definitely trying to put a stop to that. Now, I don't think there's anything else in here, but I really don't want to miss anything. What I will do is when I stop filming, I will just double check both the boxes to make sure. And if there is anything that I've missed, I will add that on the end of today's video. But I think, yeah, I think we're there. I think we're there now. So that's good. We can adjust the camera for the final time of today's video. I'm not going to pause it. I'm just going to adjust it. There we go. There we go. Right. That is crazy. Right, let me adjust a few little bits to make the backdrop look a little bit better. Got some more chocolate coins there. I can go over there. You can shuffle over a little bit. There we go. Right, okay, we have a little bit of order now, which is good. Right, okay. I spent ages putting all these backdrops around and putting all these lights on the tree and adjusted everything, only to go and knock everything over within a minute of recording today's video. But here we go. Right, we've got a bit more order now. We've got Sound Money Stacking's logo there, which will prop up there. We've got a lovely 1 ounce colorized American Silver Eagle there. And we have this final piece. Now, what could this be? Nicely boxed up. You get the knife. Or do we need the knife? I don't think we need the knife. Do we need the knife? Yeah, maybe. Run it across there. There we go. And let's have a look what we have in here. Really cool. Feels almost a bit naughty doing all this before Christmas Day. Not used to opening presents early. I know some people do, but I think it's unlucky to open presents that are under the tree early. So this feels a bit like I'm breaking the rules. Wow. Wow. I said wow before I even saw this. I just thought it was a really nice whiskey glass. But it's got Stacker Social on it. And it's got 365 Days of Silver. That is so cool. A really nice heavy duty glass as well. I am actually really fussy with the glasses that I drink my whiskey from. Same as if I'm drinking beer in a pub. It's got to be a decent glass to actually be an enjoyable drinking experience. And that is a decent glass. Really nice weight to it. It's got a nice thickness there of glass to give it a nice bit of weight. And it's quite hard to see. How can we showcase this better? What can I put in there to showcase it better? See if that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. You can see it's got Stacker Social logo on there. And it's also got 365 Days of Silver underneath. So really, really cool. What a personal touch that is. What an incredible gift. Really, really thoughtful. Really, really generous. Thank you ever so much, Sound Money Stacking. Yeah, a little bit speechless. You've really gone above and beyond with this gift. So yeah, massive thank you, my friend. Really nice words in the card as well. And now we're going to stop the video and I'm going to start munching some of these, I think, because I definitely think I've earned a snack after unpackaging that parcel. But look at that. So many. I'm glad that I've got my Britannias in the netting still, because they really would have got mixed up amongst all of these otherwise. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you all have a lovely Christmas with friends and family. I'm really looking forward to watching everyone else's Secret Santa unboxings. They're all going to be released today. So head over to all of your favourite stacking channels and yeah, enjoy watching them open their gifts as well. But yeah, thanks very much. And thank you again, TSC, for arranging this. Really, really cool idea. And yeah, just a great way to engage all of the community. So thanks again, everyone involved. And I hope you all have a lovely Christmas with your family.